morning, everybody. Today, our subject is all about Bitcoin. How this Bitcoin is appeared? Number one, because we all know that crude oil, after the pollution control and after the issue of natural disasters, crude oil use is going to be restricted all over the world, and United States having 12.2% of contribution to their GDP from total export of goods and services according to the year of 2018. Among 12.2%, the major part is the shale oil, means NYMEX crude oil, which is produced and exported to the emerging country by United States. Now, when one asset class is going to set off, the another asset class should be placed for, because gold is another asset class that has been used to be compensated the fluctuation of crude oil price since the 2016 and 15, and now onwards the global economy is under threat of the asset loss of the crude oil. So Bitcoin has been brought as an asset class among the other cryptocurrencies to balance the economy. This is the positive side. And another positive side is we can't pressurize gold price, because bigger jewelry industries are related with this raw material gold. So if the price of gold goes up, then it will be difficult to survive for them and for the jewelers all over the world. And once the jewelry industry comes under pressure, then automatically demand of the raw gold will go down. So either way, the gold price is yet to be compensated. But if the Bitcoin is placed and established as a substitute asset class, some part of the gold price may be controlled by the Bitcoin. Now, US as well as European countries are getting used to with the trades in Bitcoins with the big traders, but no central banks almost has been approved the Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrencies. Once cryptocurrencies start approving the approved asset class traded in the exchange, then we may see once again the gold price crashing down. So, like other earlier video shows on gold price, I have once again want to warn you that after the US election, in November 2020, we may see some sort of major dip in correction in gold price, because before going to the election, all country leaders tries all country leaders try to fight the election with a stronger currency. So we may have an expectation a stable dollar index till before the election in US 2020, but thereafter dollar index is not going to have an good appreciation. So if dollar index soften, so our currencies against dollar expecting to be traded in a better scenario, along with the prospect of lower crude oil price, means both the hands India will be benefited. Not only India, all the emerging country will be benefited. So this is my a brief analysis on dollar index as well as gold price as well as Bitcoin and Indian currencies, comparing each other on the prospect of each other in near future.